Hi, my name is Dick Jones. I'm the tax problem guy. This is the second of a video series on how to solve your tax problems. In video number one, we talked about you need to assess are all of your taxes filed and how much income you've got coming in and going out to know whether you can make a payment to the IRS, what you can cut to solve your tax debt. You know, tax debts keep people up at night. They're worrisome because the IRS has so much power and can do so many things if you don't pay them that it's worth your while to obviously get the peace of mind by deciding to solve your tax problem and then do it. So in video number two, I think you need to look at how much you owe the government. Then you need to look forward a year, maybe two. Are you going to owe them more money, or are you going to stop the bleeding, or maybe you've got a refund that will even get applied against your tax debt? So you need to take stock of where you're going, but the first thing you need to do is figure out how you're going to stop the bleeding. If we're here in October and let's say you've got 2 months to the end of the year and you've got a big profit and you don't think you're going to be able to pay the IRS what you owe them at the end of the year, it is silly to start solving your tax problem today. File your tax return and then start solving your tax problem and make sure that the next year you don't have the same issue of owing them some more money. In other words, what IRS wants you to do is not keep racking up bill after bill after bill so that the tax debt you owe gets larger. So what you need to do is take excess of what you're going to do in the future. After that's done, then you need to figure out how much money you owe the IRS, because that will tell you whether you want to try to set up a payment plan, whether you want to do an offer and compromise, whether you want to do an in-house or partial pay installment agreement, or maybe you're not making enough money. You can even put your debt in what they call a non-collectible status, which will be reviewed once a year by the IRS. So there's a lot of things you can do to solve your tax debt, but you need to make sure that you stop the bleeding and you don't keep increasing the debt. And then you need to go about solving it. Take action. Take some kind of action to make it go away. And that depends a lot on how much you owe. So there's your next tip. And if you need to get more tips, go to taxproblemguide.com or call me at 573-341-5578. Thank you.